Today, Bren and I will be going to the beach, swimming in the ocean, going down some water slides, and playing some mini golf.
Whoa, 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 Lord. Find a spot you like, stay until midnight. I appreciate it.
Hey guys, me and Bren have made it to the beach.
By what you receive, but the kindness you give, that's what I believe.
What's good, Woodland Wanderer fans? Out in Ocean City, New Jersey right now. We getting wild out on the sea.
Blessings will return to you just in time.
Guys, we've got inner tube suits right here. Guys, look at this maneuver. That's horrible. And the reverse side of it. Here we go.
In the heart, boundless and found is where true love is found. Not by gifts or treasures, but in the kindness that goes around. True love is not measured by what you
Walking the boardwalk now, trying to find a place to eat. We just enjoyed a nice meal.
She was ass.
Oh my god! You don't understand, bro. Oh my god!
That was horrible.
772, it's a record to beat, guys.
658. Dude, I'm getting close with the inner side. I'm gonna do it one more time. I gotta redo it.
Hey guys, Woodland Wanderers here. Today I'm
In every whisper of empathy, to a smile that brightens the day. Selfless deeds and words, blessings, like all they say.
oh my god!
For love's not what we amass, but the joy we share and last.
I was getting airtime on that ride.
Okay. All right.
Always be true love, not measured by what you receive.
My bad, my
But
bad.
the kindness you give, that's what I believe. In every softness, in every word you kind, blessings will return to you just in time. True love, by what you receive, but the kindness you give, that's what I believe. In every softness, in every word you kind, blessings will return to you just in time.
Bren and I are entering the pirate ship.
We're on.
Hey, for real?
Oh, that's not fair.
It's time to enter the pirate ship. Pulling wood! I told you to mess up. Guys, Bren won. He had 42. I had 51.
Exactly, it was just horrible.
But it was a close game.
Was not even close.
Guys, thank you so much for joining us on our adventure today. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. I'm very tired.